I'm going to show you a new construction home in an exclusive gated community where you're just 20 minutes away from the ocean. If you're looking to build your very own home or would prefer something that's new but don't want to wait 9 months to a year to build, my name is Raphael. I am an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida. And I can personally help and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So this model that we're taking a look at today is a custom home that's move-in ready and for sale here in Rivella, coming in at over 3,000 square feet under air as a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a side-load garage and a covered lanai that overlooks the preserve, so you'll never have a home directly behind you. This home has elements of a more contemporary transitional design with concrete tile roofing, hurricane impact windows, high ceilings, and a 10-foot sliding glass door, as well as polished porcelain floors, quartz countertops, stacked cabinets, and a gourmet kitchen and an owner suite that takes the entire left wing of the home. And the community is intimate and exclusive. They have a community clubhouse with a recreation center, a fitness studio, pool and tennis courts, but the HOA is still lower, under $300 a month, and has no CDD, unlike the vast majority of new construction homes in Port St Lucie. Location-wise, you're right in the middle of the Treasure Coast, 15 to 20 minutes to the beaches and downtowns in Jensen and Stewart, and 15 to 20 minutes to Tradition and St. Lucie West. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about these homes and new home communities, whether you're more amenity-driven, want the lifestyle and activities, or are a more private person, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I'm an independent broker and can help you weigh out all of your options and work with you whether you're looking to buy or sell a home anywhere here on the Treasure Coast. So if you are interested in this home or think something similar to this would be a good fit for what you're looking for, whether you're considering a new home that's move-in ready or would want to be more involved in the construction of your home 9 months to a year out, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.